For those managing air conditioning needs in any setting, one of the biggest frustration comes after installation, when costly repair bills start piling up. Too many installations are done with cost-cutting in mind, leading to repeated component failures, gas leaks, and a system that just isn't built to last. And when installation companies go bust or don't return calls, you're left without a warranty to fall back on. At ICE, we take a different approach. We believe in doing the job right from the start, which means installing systems that are built to last. Our installations aren't done on the cheap. They're done to ensure reliability, backed by over 90 years in the industry. For our clients who choose to stay on with our maintenance contracts, we offer up to a 10-year warranty. This isn't just a promise on paper, it's a commitment to long-term service and support. We're here for the life of your system, ensuring that if any issues do arise, they're addressed swiftly and effectively. And with ICE, you can trust that your warranty will be honoured, because we're here for the long run, not just on a one-off job. If you are ready to invest in reliable, long-lasting air conditioning with a partner who will be there to support you every step of the way, let's connect.